Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to install Bootstrap or at least how to use Bootstrap in your project. So there are two ways. There are two options like you can use the CDN or you can download it locally between your project files, folders. So as we can see on the official website of Bootstrap, also known as getbootstrap.com, you have two buttons, get started and download. If you press get started, you go to the CDN option, which is the CSS CDN and the JS CDN. The bundle one and the separate one, you can either pick two of them. I usually pick the bundle one. If you guys want to pick the separate one, it's up to you. But they are we're gonna do the CDN first. So the CDN, we just need to copy this, and you need to make a new project or use the projects you are actually doing right now and copy the CDN for the CSS and go to the project, to the HTML of the project. I've already comment this and I've prepared it. So we just need to copy it like, let's just delete this first. You need to copy it like this. This is for the CSS. Okay, and then go to the script which is JS, the bundle, and then we copy that and put it in the HTML. Let's start the live server. I've put just a component of the navbar. It's just a simple component, and let's open with live server. If it's working, yeah, it's working. Okay, if it's working, yeah, it's working. It does have that. Yeah, let's try to change it. It changes into just a container, and let's see. Yep, it changes the spacing. Now that works. Okay, let's comment that, and let's use the downloaded option, which is you can go to the home or go to the docs and press the download, the menu, and press the compile CSS and JS. You press this and then it will download. After it's downloaded, you need to extract it from zip to a folder. After that, there's going to be like this. It's going to be two folders inside of it. It's going to be it's here. There's going to be a folder named CSS and JS. After that, you need to copy that and put it inside your current project that you're working on. And then after you've put that, you need to link to it. How? You link to it through the CSS link. So inside the CSS folder, and we go inside and pick the files, which is usually the bootstrap.min.css. After that, if you want to do for the JS, it's the same but with script. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, now let's type JS for the folder and then find bootstrap.min.js. After that, we can see that it's working. Let's change something. Let's change this into let's delete this disabled one, and let's change this into example website contact. As you see, it's working. Home link drop down, there's no disable menu over here, and that's it. You can either download it or use a CDN. It's that easy. It's up to you guys if you want to download or use the CDN. And that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Bye.